Hola, ¿cómo estamos? So today I have this beautiful summery sunsetty makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So of course I'm going to start off with moisturizing my face. I know how you guys love to see me do my foundation and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys today. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my skin. Then I'm going with my Milk Makeup Hydro. I love this stuff. Keeps my foundation on all day. It's a must. Then I'm going to go with my foundation by Mario. And I'm just going to dot this all over my skin. I don't know. I feel like it gives me more coverage. I don't know what it is, dude. But I just kind of like doing this now. I feel like I don't waste as much product as I would do it if I apply it on my hand and then use my beauty. I don't know. I just like doing this. But anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and dot that all over. And then I'm just going to go ahead with my sponge. Just kind of blend it all out. I really like this sponge, but I don't know how I feel because when I first started using this sponge, it was like $7. Now it's like $9. I mean, it does beat the price for a real, what is it? The beauty blender. But yeah. Anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it into my skin just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. I hate getting foundation onto my hair, but it's like I don't like putting my hair back. So it's like, girl, let's get our things together here. Anyways, I'm going to go with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Dark Spots. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my under eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. I really like it because it just like feels really hydrating. I don't know what it is. It doesn't feel so drying. As you guys can see, it feels really amazing. And I really like it because if I want to go somewhere and I don't want to put foundation on, I can just apply this under my eyes and I look amazing. Then I'm going to use my Gerard Cosmetics pink powder. Don't forget to use my code PrettyGrace for some money off. This is an amazing powder. It blurs me out. Then I'm going to use their other setting powder. I forgot what color this is, but I'll list it down below. I like to apply this all over my face. And I do apply a good amount of it, and then I go back and I blend everything out. So don't think it's like, oh my god, you put too much. No, girl. Watch. Oh yeah, the fireworks are going on. Anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all into my skin. It's okay if it looks crazy right now, you guys. I'm going to add my, bronzer and my blush and all that good stuff. So I just kind of like to make sure that everything is really nice and set. So I just go back and I blend everything out just to make sure that everything is really nice and blended. And I set everything. So yeah. So don't think it's too crazy. But you'll see. It'll all come together. I promise. So I'm just going to go back and I'll apply a little bit more setting powder and then just kind of blend everything. Like I said, I like to go back and blend everything to make sure it's all, blurred out. Then I'm going to go with this MAC blush. I wanted to try a different blush because I love orangey blushes, but I felt like this still look orangey. I don't know, but we're just going to go with it, okay? I promise in my next video, I will be using a different color blush because I tend to move to the side where all the coral orangey shades are, and I don't know why. Maybe I should try using more pinks. I don't know. Give me some ideas. Then I decided to go with this cool tone bronzer just to kind of bronze up my face, but I feel like it still looks kind of warm. I don't know if it's the blush, but I wanted to try something different and I ended up trying to look like I usually look. I don't know. You guys know I cannot change what I really like, how it works. So if it works for me, I don't like to change it. I don't know. Am I the only one that's like that? Probably. All right. So then I'm just going to go ahead and contour, bronze up my chin area just so that it looks like I just recently got lipo there. Even though I did get lipo a few years back. But yeah. Anyways. So then I'm just going to go back and kind of blend everything just to make sure that everything's really nice and blended because sometimes it looks really harsh. But once you blend it out, it looks amazing. All right, I don't know how we lost some clips, but we're moving on to eyes. So I'm going to go ahead with the pink shadow, and I am using Beauty Creations palette, but you guys can use anything. I really didn't want to show you guys the palette because I feel like you guys get discouraged when you guys don't have the palette. So I'm like, you know what, let me just show them how I do my shadows, and they can use any palette that they have, any shadows that they have, just to recreate this look. So you don't have to have the same palettes that I have. So I'm just going to go ahead with the hot pink shadow, and I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, blending upwards. So I kind of want the pink to be as deep pink as I can get it right into that crease, and then for it to kind of fade upwards, because I'm going to go ahead and apply another shadow. So then here I'm applying a yellow shadow, and this is just going to make it more look like a sunsetty type. So pink and yellow turns it into like an orangey shade. So that's kind of what I want it to be, like a yellow orangey pink type, as you guys can see there. So I will go back with the pink shadow and just kind of deepen that, because I feel like I lost it once I applied that yellowy shade, as you guys can see here. So it's all about blending and reapplying the color. I honestly love when I do bright eyeshadows. I know you guys love that. Most of you guys follow me because of those looks, so I kind of want to bring those back. So then I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of cut crease here. I am using a concealer from e.l.f. But you can use foundation, you can use whatever you guys have. Just go ahead and do your thing, girl. So just gonna do that. This was like a really soft, kind of like not too crazy cut crease. So then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my pink shadow in the outer corner. Then I'm going with a shimmery light shade and just apply this right into the inner corner midway. And then I'm gonna go with a shimmery pink shadow and then blend that into the dark pink and then the light shimmer shade, just to give me a transition. You get what I'm going for, like really dark and the light pink and then like a white shimmery shade. Then I wanted to go ahead and apply this glitter from Urban Decay. I love these glitters, they're amazing. Then I'm going with that pink shade again, and I'm just going to apply it onto the bottom lash line. I am so sorry if my lighting is horrible, but I don't know. It's that mirror in the back that does it a little crazy. So I went ahead and applied that dark pink on the bottom, yellow on top just to blend it out, and then apply a little bit more of that pink just to kind of brighten it up. Then I'm going with my IT Cosmetics mascara. Then I did my own lashes, you guys. I was so surprised. This is what the lashes look like. These are from Kiss. I think they're the dramatic ones. Then I'm going with Buxom lip liner and liquid lip. I'll list everything down below for you guys. And yeah, so this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to show some love. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.